Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. All we've ever asked is that if you enjoy these updates and talking about XRP, good digital assets, and dropping X in the comment section below, you hit the like button. Seeing a market cap of $1.26 trillion at the time of this recording, up 1.17%, we now know and, of course, share this content, letting others across the world know exactly what is happening in this digital revolution. When the clock strikes midnight, respectively. Currently, XRP is trading at around 40 cents, or 54 cents, just below 55 cents, up roughly 1% on the day, and our outstanding lumens are excellent at just over 11 cents, a gain of about 2% from the day before. Let's see what the market's doing right now. Investors are waiting to see what happens in the market next week. The cryptocurrency market may be marginally affected by an executive order on March 30th that is more closely tied to artificial intelligence at this point. However, I am in a market, and you may be as well, where good news may lead to negative price action and terrible news may lead to positive price action. These days, that seems to be the norm for our expectations, but what I fully expect is a climb to the top and the beginning of a bull run, and I've been quite open and honest about that. The revelation that Ripple could destroy any XRP held in escrow comes from a former director. That's what Matt Hamilton claims. Beautiful to hear now. Clearly most of that is locked in the escrow, but nothing prevents Ripple from destroying all the XRP kept there if it so chooses. When they're ready to burn it, they can. But you know it helps them make money in some way. Again, this is a positive development. This is how our ecology develops. I've gone on for quite some time. Please don't interpret this as market dumping. All technical analysis points to a very bullish market at this point, so this should be seen as preparation for the impending explosion. Now watch her guru shout out to them and put this out. Within a year, according to Elon Musk, X will be a whole finance platform, and traditional bank accounts will be obsolete. As we dig more into this, it's clear that this statement by Elon Musk, who plans to transform X into a full financial financing platform, is frightening many banks. Take a look at what we have to say. According to a recording of the discussion obtained by CNET, when I say payments, I mean someone's entire financial life must be on our platform, be it money, securities, or whatever. Therefore, it's not the same as lending a friend $20. The article makes it sound like having a bank account is unnecessary. This, he exclaims as we charge ahead at full speed, is a lovely sight. He says I'll lose it if we don't launch it before the end of next year. Now, given that Jed McCaleb is now working closely with Elon Musk, and that we know the links there as well as with Ripple, it would shock my mind if XRP and XLM are not somehow coordinated in Xrp Xlm. In the same vein, I find it hard to conceive of a scenario in which XRP and XLM are not included into this system. And now we see what happens when major firms like these start collaborating with his networks. A tidal wave in 2023, I put IPO announcement on cards on the cards. Is this a potential now we see action when we get big victories with the SEC, but we're not getting that long sustaining upward trend that we want to see with XRP. Of course we're still just entering the bull market, and unfortunately we still kind of follow Bitcoin up, and there will be a decoupling effect, and we will flip Bitcoin and time. But what I 100% believe in, and I think many of you can attest to believe in, is that there will, when the IPO news comes out, the price of XRP will surge to the right. It is the logical thing to do. For those interested in this ripple effect, the Bitcoin phenomenon is preparing for a major disclosure on November 8th and 9th, 2023, which has the potential to send its price surging to unimaginable heights. Important dates, because of possible settlement, and XRP captain's cryptic image that has set tongues wagging, unveils, ripples, and highly anticipated swell events, and says save the day on which XRP could make history, leading many to speculate that this is the time we will hear of an initial public offering. In my opinion, we still have a few days to go. That is what I think, no doubt. And that's how near we are to that huge XRP rush, which will also drive up the price of XLM. Therefore, I contend, do you feel ready? I certainly am. The same holds true for me, an investor rather than a day trader, if we see a black swan event. As a result of my confidence in these holdings, I am increasing my wager. I'm sure most of you would agree with me on that. You have faith in these holdings. You can read the signs on the wall, you see what's in front of you. So, waves this year could be exceptionally high. I have no idea what might be revealed. Now, however, consider the alternatives. IPO stablecoin CBDC alliance, tokenization, etc. Don't forget to circle the 8th and 9th of November on your calendars, you won't want to miss it. Some have recently theorized, hey, RippleNet can function just fine without XRP. Cryptocurrency isn't necessary for the blockchain. Ripple's cross-border payment solutions involve a sending institution that can use any currency it likes, USD, Euro, etc., a receiving institution, and the beneficiaries who get XRP as a bridge asset. That's the way the machinery is set up. The Central Bank of Chile just published a document outlining the basics of future money and labeling XRP as a utility token in this new financial landscape. Also, they showed a periodic table of cryptocurrencies and singled out 3, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. These are the only coins they singled out because of their practical applications, which is an interesting tack to take. Chile's national bank. Absolutely. I'll leave you with this, though. At long last, something from the crypto, according to Barbie, it's important to remember that the official website of the World Economic Forum has highlighted Ripple, describing it as doing for value what the internet did for information, XRP to $10,000 and beyond. I'm going to read this to you in a jiffy. I get that many of you aren't WEF's biggest supporters, I am too. I'm aware that in the past they've made some fairly ridiculous claims. Again, though, this is an organization staffed by the world's top decision makers. And when we go into this, I'd rather be on the winning team than the losing team. Ripple is facilitating the quick and seamless transfer of wealth around the world, much as the internet facilitated the transfer of information. Ripple is a cryptocurrency that aims to improve financial inclusion, efficiency, and scalability through the use of blockchain technology. Furthermore, Ripple is working on and enabling the next generation use cases that will propel the new digital economy for public agencies, private companies, and individual consumers. Ripple operates out of numerous global hotspots, including New York City, London, Singapore, Washington, D.C., Dubai, and more. They collaborate with customers, government agencies, and commercial enterprises all across the globe. As things begin to ramp up, I'd like for folks to keep that in mind, we're not just some worthless bean coin that will be gone by tomorrow. In my perspective, XRP is the backbone of the next generation of currency. Please share your ideas, thoughts, and opinions with me in the space provided below. It's all over today. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.